Hello everyone, in today's Instagram video tutorial I want to show you how to remove Instagram filters. So without spending more time, let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app that you have installed. So if you have already loaded some custom filter to your Instagram account, so in this video today I want to show you some easy steps which helps you to remove your Instagram custom filters. So now first of all, you just need to open your Instagram camera, and here you just need to first find a filter that you want to remove. So let me remove this filter from my Instagram camera. So now you can see there's a little spin button on below of the filters. So now when you tap on this one, so you'll find guys the more option. Now tap on this one. So when you tap on this one, so you will find guys the remove option from here. So now tap on remove, and as you can see I have successfully removed Instagram filters. So if you want to delete some other filters from Instagram, so there's pretty simple way that I have already show you. So simply first you just need to select the specific filter. Now tap on the spin button, so you will find the more option. Tap on this one and then tap on remove. So guys, that's all about the video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you want to get more videos regarding Instagram, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.